We are in Haiti building desks to be able to set up a classroom.
The Help from Above School, a little village of Pasbwadom, about 2.5 hours east of here, is in need of desks. So thanks to Help Make It Rain, those desks are becoming a reality. We're assembling the desks here in Water for Life's shop in Okai, getting ready to take them out to the Help from Above School.
I'm most excited to be at the school, I think, and to be with kids and be with all the Haitians and just get to know them and spend time with them and play with them tomorrow at the school.
It's been great. I love seeing the dynamics of people working together and we all sweating it out together. It's rewarding at the end of the day.
Right now we're unloading desks that we made from home, bringing here, unloading, and put them in the classrooms.
We just come together to serve, so that's what makes it special.
Make It Rain is awesome because it's local for a lot of us who are here, and it's a great way to bring in people from the community and be able to do service projects that are not only local and convenient to you, but you also have the opportunity to travel around the world and help people all around as well. And it's a great group of people. We all love the Lord. We're happy to be together and worship together and fellowship and also work hard and serve the Lord.
I keep coming back to Help Make It Rain just because the people are awesome and I love seeing lives changed.
Jesus calls us to help the poor and the less fortunate, and we're happy to be part of that.